Hello, boss. This is Cindy from ABC Electronics, and I want to show our best seller to you. This is PD20W charger kits, USB A and C PD20W. Two color is available, and we have ready stocks. $1.85 in box for C2C PD20W charger with 3 feet C2C. This set can charge an iPhone 15 very well, and I want to show you our ready stocks and color. This is blank one USB A and C PD20W ready stocks, and this is white A and C PD20W. You can order us, and we can ship out in 2 days. With this regular package, $1.85. Contact me for order. Thank you.